Alright, so hooking up your heater hoses isn't really that big of a deal, but some people do and it looks sloppy. I like to go this route with the Power by the Hour kit. I've done this route where you cut the factory ones. You can put a plug over here or cut it even lower and just delete it, but then you don't have a whole lot of meat to grab onto with your clamp. So I'm gonna pull the thermostat housing off this clamp and then pop here and here off. All right, this is your driver's side fitting. It only goes on one way. I lubed up the O-ring a little bit and then it just slides in place. And same thing for the passenger side. All right, there it is, hose clamps on, hose routed nice and clean. I'm not gonna use worm clamps on these after all. I'm gonna buy the Gates heat shrink clamps. I just need to figure out the size. That's it for the heater hoses on the Foxbody Coyote swap.